Hi friends, this is Vetrivel. This tutorial I will teach LMS part 2. LMS means Library Management System. See, last part we are seeing how to log in and all. See, here I am using SQL connections. So same SQL connection I will use so many pages. In case you assume that in case any changes is happening in connection string, that time we need to change all the pages simultaneously, so it will taking time, as well as in case any error will be happen. Okay, for that I will make a common class for that connection string. I will declare that connection string in one place in that common class, so I will refer that class in every pages. So that means I need to change anything in that connection string, I have to change only one place, that's enough. So it will affect for all the pages. So how to do that? So first I need to create one class, common class. So just right click your project and click add and click new item. So in that new item you have to select class. So class, so here I will name it as a connection, so you can give any name. So okay, connection, and click add. So here class is there, so this is namespace called library management system, class called connections. Okay, but it's not possible to access to outside, so for that I will add one more thing here, public. So now it's accessible for all the pages. Okay, now here I will declare one SQL connection. So for that, before that you have to declare using system dot data dot SQL client. So here I will declare SQL connection con equal to new SQL connections. Now I need to add this connection string to here. Just right click your database and go to properties. You will get connection string. Just Control A and Control C. I copy those connection strings here and just inside double quote I will paste it. This is one step is done. So now I will create one function here. So public SQL connection, return type is SQL connection, here active con. So I will create one function. I was created one function here. See, now I will just call this connection. Why I am using this active connection? Always I need to take active connection. In case connection was closed, that time I need to open that connection. So for that I will use this here. So I created one connections here. Just I call it that connections inside the this public connections. So just I will use if con dot state equal to connection dot closed. So in case so here no need to declare here, just copy this and using data. So that means no need this. Okay, connection state equal to closed. In case closed means I need to open the connections. So just connection dot open, that's it. So I will return con connection. So now no error. So just I need to call this connections string into this login page. Just go to login page. Here I declare this connection, so I no need this. Now here I will declare, so here now is error is throwing, see error is throwing, so now I will declare that connections. So connections con equal to new connections. So first I call that class files here. Now here I will put just connection dot active connection. So that means by default it will, while running this function, it automatically take the active connections. So first I will run this, how is working and all we will get to know. Just I click debug mode here, set debug mode in login form. Just click, hit the button. So my project is building. Now here I will click admin PASS password and click login. See F10, press F10 in keyboard. So connections, library connections, everything is created here. So in connection string is there, everything. Okay, now press F10, F10, F10. So data is came, that means our connection string is working properly and is working. So now we created successfully in a common class for here, so we can call it anywhere. Just declare the object for this connection, and based on object dot active connection it will work. So see here, connections dot active connections. It will work. Now we already seen about the connection string and all. Now we will discuss about role. See, first I run the project once again. See, admin PASS pass and login. So for it will come three menus here: master, inventory and reports. In that menu we will do role. So how to use this new delete and update and save operations into here. So now we'll teach. This is the very important steps, so everybody will listen carefully. Okay, now I close. So this is my role form. So my role form here in Solution Explore, role form, double click my role form, the design view will come. We already created this design. Here new button is the, just double click this new button, it will automatically create the event for button one dot click, like that event will be created here. See, one more thing I will teach here. So this is role, this is button. So every time we are clicking means it will create button 1. So because why? Because see, the name of the button is button 1 here. So you will see here button 1. So that's why the by default we are clicking button, it will create a click event. So where will find that event? So here event section is there. Just click that event. So we will get the click event. Here so many events is that: button click, drag over, and enable, change, enter, font change. So many events is there. So by default button is activated like click event. See here, but in case rare, some cases we will go to here view code, and so many click event is there. That time it's very difficult to find. This is the button 1, this is the new button, this is for save button. So we need to avoid that confusions. For that we have to give the proper name for that your every buttons. Okay, so for that what I will do, just click that button and go to properties. Here new already is there, like that name option is there. In that name I will give btn, button underscore new. So that means this is button new, we will get to know. Like that I will change all the texts like here btn underscore day delete, here btn underscore update, here btn underscore save. Now I am given proper name. So now double click this delete button, it will create button delete underscore click. So that means we can easily find this is the delete button. Like that we have to click, see other things no need, just I will click all those, close all, but this it means everything it will be close. Okay, now click design view. So that's two form only is this is coding part, this is view part. Now I click save button, it will come save, update, it will create update. And one more thing, I will click again this new button, but it will go in button 1, but it won't create the button underscore new. Why? Because the event was already created before creating, before assigning that name. So for that we need to change that exact name. So what will we do? So I will teach, just click this button and click this event. Here you have to change manually btn underscore new and just press on enter, it will create that event for you. So btn underscore new underscore click. Okay, see everything well created successfully. Now I need to do, once I click the new button, that time I need to clear everything, book ID and book name and status. By default status will be correct. So I need to do that. So just I will log in admin PASS pass and click login. So here I am going to role sections. So activate and inactive, so many things is there. So by once I click the new button, I need to show how means first time how is there. Here status nothing is selected and book name is empty and book ID is empty. Like that I need to show that all the things. So how to do that I will teach that. Okay, so first I click new button. So here text box 1 dot text equal to double quote. So that means it will clear all the text. So text box 2 dot text equal to double quote. So now I will teach, I will run the program. Admin PASS. So here I will go and click this role. I will type something here and click new. It will clear everything. But while I click clear, I need to focus the cursor here. So that I need to do. And one more thing, here we are using clear. So for that, just put clear. It will, this also it will work. Okay, no need to give like that text equal to, you need to set clear and text box 1 dot focus. And one more thing, every time we are running the project we need to log in, right? We need to type username and password. For that I will manually type here. So text equal to admin and password equal to PASS pass. So I set everything. Now I save and run the project and just click login. It will log in. Here go role new, it will run and cursor is focusing here. But one more thing, I am selecting here anything like inactive and click new, means this won't be empty, first state is won't come. So for that what will we do, just go to here role.cs. Here before I will write like this name is combo box 1. So just box 1 dot what happened. Selected index equal to -1. Just run the project. So login and here click role and click new, select active and click new. So now means this is 0, index 0, this is index 1. Now click new means it will -1 means it will go the previous state. Okay, now we done this and now we need to do insert. One more thing, in new also something is pending is that what, while I'm clicking new, I need to focus the cursor in book name and I need to generate dynamic ID for his book ID. Book ID I need to generate dynamic. So how to do that? So I will teach this using SQL. I will do this. So just here LMS DB is there. I will connect this LMS DB. Here role master is there. In role master, role ID and role and role status will be there. So I will create one SP for SP means store procedure. So just right click the store procedure, click add new store procedure. You are using SQL server entity server ID means how to do that also I will teach here. Just I connect my DB. Here database and LMS DB. Here table is there. So here programmability, in programmability store procedure is there. Just right click store procedure, click new store procedure. Anywhere you can create, here or inside, anywhere you can create. So I will use here only how to create and store procedure and all. So this and all no need. I deleted here. Okay, and procedure name and parameter we need to give. So here PROC procedure underscore new underscore role. This is my procedure name. Here I won't use any parameters. So just I will use this table only. So this is our table role master, column name so is there. So just I will select star from role master. So control A and F5. F5 means press F5 means it will create the SP. So you will get to know SP is created over here. Now it won't show. Just right click and refresh. SP is created. So I need to alter this SP, so many things. So again I will press F5 means it will throw the error because the SP is already created. Because why? Here create is there. So now we need to alter means you have to change alter. It doesn't matter is here case sensitive small or caps. Now I will execute F5. So now it's successfully executed. So here what I need to dynamically add a book number. So I dynamically add book number. So for that, so how I need to add? So here I'm created varchar only, and my ID should be like book, BOO, okay, book 401, or else BK, book 401. This is my ID format. So I need to do like that. So how to do that? So I will teach everything. So I need to, book 1 means it will come like that, book 2 means it will come BK 4 times 0 2, like that my ID will increment, it will increment. So how to do that I will teach you. Okay, first see, this is our target format. So for that I will make format here. So first I will how to do that. So declare here at max number int, one variable I am declaring here. So assume that one more variable number at number equal to varchar 50. So I created two variables here. So set at number equal to BK 0000, sorry, 00001. So already this number is there. So now set, so I need to find this number. So incremental number I need. So next number will be BK 00002. This is the next number. So I need to how to get next number from this number. So I will do. So for that write RIGHT, write expression one is number, comma 5 digit I will take. Here I will make select. Now I will execute this. So 5 digit means it will take 1 0 0 0 0. So first 2 digit it will neglect, last 5 digit only is taking. So now I will convert this 5 digit, this number, this string convert into number. So for that I will use cast cost int. I will use cost, this is number int. So I will execute this. Sorry, not comma, as. So I will converting this number, this string to int. Now I execute this. So it will get value is 1. That means this value I am getting. So assume that here I will change any value like 5. Now I will execute this. I will get 5001 now. See, 5001 I am getting. So for that it will taking the correct exact current value it will getting now. Now I need to add this value plus 1. So here I will make plus 1. So now I execute this, I will get 2. So this is the formula for getting the current value from exiting table. So I will apply this. So just I am declaring this, Control C here and paste. So I declare 2 variables here. In that variable, number I no need to use right now, because the number will come from this DB, because the exiting value it will come here. So for that I will use here write, RIGHT, write this role ID. Just copy this role ID, comma 5 digit I will take. 5 digit I will take here. So assume that 5 digit I will take. After I will convert this into integer. So cost as int I convert. So assume that in the DB so many values will be there, like BK00001 and BK00002, like that. But we need recent record. So for that I will use here max. So I need max record. So that means it will take from DB max record only. So after I need to add max record, I will get, assume that here BKN 00001 and BK00002, 2 values there. In the 2 value it will take BK00002. So in that that value I need to add 1 plus 1. So that means I will add plus 1 here. Okay. Now I will plus 1 here. Okay. Now I will just F5 save executed here, and just click select your procedure and click F5. So now will result is coming null. Why is coming null? See, in the table select star. In the table right now no record is there. No record is there. So that means it will come always null only. So in case null means, so is null means I need to show 0. Is null means I need to show 0. That means 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So I will save this procedure and execute this procedure. I will get 1 now. Say that value I got it. So that value I need to assign to this variable. So just paste here. So now that value is assigned to this variable max number. So that max number having now 1. So we need to show that. So just print max number. So this value now gonna to print. So first say execute this procedure. So just execute this procedure. I get 1. Okay. In that 1 I need to append, like I need to show this like format, this format. So what I will do here, set at number is a varchar and max number is a integer. At number I will use this line So first what I will do, I will convert into varchar. First I am converting this value into varchar here, so no need to declare like values and all, size and all. This is varchar, it will convert into varchar. After I will plus add, okay, I will explain one by step, then only people can understand. I know that, so just I am removing this. Now already value is coming into this max number, cost max number as a varchar. How we are converting is integer, like that that max number I am converting into varchar now, and varchar plus I am adding 5 zeros, so output will become print at number. So I will save this procedure and execute this procedure. See, max number, this printing max number equal to 1. Now the number having 5 times 0 and 1 is there. So here last 5 digit only I need to take. That means I will get the value of the exact record. So this record I will get. Always I will take last 5 digit. So for that I will return GHT write comma 5. Now I will execute this procedure and F5. Press F5 means it will select all, and press F5 means it will save, and select this procedure only and press F5 means it will execute. Okay, or else select this procedure and execute button will be there, so you can execute, and select this procedure and execute means it will save. Okay, now value is coming. So here I will add one more thing. In outside of the write function I will add single quote BK single quote and plus. See, now I am executing this procedure. Again I will execute procedure only. Now I will get the exact our value. So this is the procedure to get the max of record, maximum max. So okay, we created that roll number here. So now a little bit slight changes I will do here. No need this print and no need this print also. Here just I will add select statement here. So just change it to select. Now I will execute this procedure. This and all no need. This is our procedure, and execute means I will get the result here. So this result I need to pass into our program, and I need to call this our program. So now I am going to my program here new button. So I will create one function here. So just void now I am creating the one function void create new. In that function I will call that connection string here. So connection con equal to new connection. So this how is coming. Before I already created here connections, so that connection only I am calling here. See connection, that connection only I am calling here. Okay, now I am going to here select SQL. So we need to use SQL data adapter and SQL function. Then we need to must declare using system dot data dot SQL client. We need to declare this, then only we need to access so many things here. So now SQL data adapter SDA equal to new SQL data adapter. So here I will return the query. So I created SP here, so you can see the SP names here. Just click and store procedure, you will get the SP names here, and press. I am copying this SP and paste it here. SP name I am just paste it here and put comma. So here you will put the connection string. So con dot active connections. I am passing that connections. Active connection. Now SDA dot select command dot command type equal to command type dot store procedure. We need to declare this is a store procedure. We need to declare this. Now here no parameter, so just execute this store procedure. So SDA, before I will declare one data table DT equal to new data table. I am declaring the data table here. Now SDA dot fill DT. So the result will be stored in this DT. Now text box 1 dot text equal to DT dot rows 0 and column 0 to string. I am declaring here. So now I will put here debug mode and we will check. So while I am clicking button, I need to call these functions. So I am calling these functions here. Create new function is there, created one function, that function I am calling here, and save and hit the run button and click login and go to this role and click new. See, debug mode is coming. F10, press F10 and press F10, press F10, press F10, F10. So now that value is stored into this data table, and this is column 1 and column row 1. That means column 0, row 0. So that value assigned into text box. Now see that values came, but cursor should be in focused in this book. So that I will do here. So just stop your project and go to role. So this will be 2, Control X and Control V. So I will remove that debugger here. So delete all breakpoints. It will remove all the debuggers and click run start program. It will start and click run login. I am going to role sections and click new. It will create new BK001 that ID, and book name is coming in, cursor is focusing in book name, and here status will become active. So we need to set active or anything, so many things we need to do anything, whatever. So one more thing, now I am clicking new, cursor is focusing here, but we can click that cursor here and we can modify this ID. That is wrong, because we need to generate dynamic ID. That time we no need to edit those book IDs. So for that, what will we do? So just I will do here. See what I have to do. In that, go to this role section, design section. I am clicking this role book ID and go to properties. In that properties, read only section will be there. In this read only, I will set true. That means people can read this text. That's it. So no one can edit this. run the project, or else run the project just, and click login, file, role. So people cannot edit this text. So click new means it will show the text. We can't edit the text. This is because this is read only, or else you can use read only, or enable false. We can set enable false also. So just I will show that also. Just go to properties, that read only I will set false, and enable I will set false. Now I will hit the run button, login, and click role, and click new. It will not to editable. So like that we can store that, we can make the changes. That means people can't edit the book ID. So book name we can add any book name, and we can set the status active, and click save means I need to store this record into DB. That things I will do now. So now just double click this text, so it will go to button save. So here I will do one thing. I need to insert this records to this DB, that means this table. Just go to script, create, and click new edit window. So it will create the query for you. Just not create, just go to script and insert into, and click new query window. It will create the SQL query for you. You can just copy it, or else you can write manually. So I will just copy this text, and one more function I will create, void add records. Here connection con equal to new connection, SQL command cmd equal to new SQL command. In double quote I will paste it my query, what and all I copied my text and paste it here. So now in C# normally it will support a query or string a single line. You are typing in multiple line, you are using multiple line means you need to put before the double quote you have to put at sign. So that means it will support the multiple lines. Now just put comma and connection dot active connection. See here values is there, that means column name is there, value is there. In that value we need to specify the text field name. Just I will replace here single quote, double quote, and plus text box 1 dot text, double quote, single quote, comma, again. Now single quote, double quote, plus text box 2 dot text, plus double quote, single quote, comma, single quote, and plus combo box 1 dot text. Now this and all no need. See, this is our query. So I am passing this query. This is our query. Okay. Now I will put debug mode here. One more thing, and enter cmd dot execute non-query. We need to execute this query. So just save the and copy this function name. While clicking this save button, I need to call this function here. Just I put the debug mode here and click run it here. Run. Login master and click role and click new, then only the roll number will generate. Here book name I will give math books. Just I am clicking the entering the math books here. Role I will select here active and click save it, going the debug mode, and click F10. Connection is connection and command string is stored into this CMD. So you want to see that query how is going into SQL query. Just click here. In command text, one small search icon will be there. You have to click the search icon. See, like that only the query will went into SQL server. It will execute. Insert into LMS DB in role master, role ID, role and role status. So role ID will be BK00001 and role will be MacBooks and role status will be active. See here and close. See, one more thing I need to show here. Book, not a book name, here not a book ID, here role ID, role and role status. We need to change those things. Now just I am teaching how is working and all. Okay, now press F10 and press F10. See, record is inserted. You want to see that, just go to SQL server here and just change it into select star from role master F5. See, record was inserted successfully here. So again I will click this new F5, press F5. So just a minute, I will run once again. Now I will run the project again and click login and go to role and click new and until the exception occurred. Okay, see, now procedures throwing error, so we need to check what's the error. Just stop the project and go to SQL server, and already we have procedure. This and all no need, this no need. Procedure, I will execute this procedure again. See, conversion failed, data type to okay. See here, not a 9 5. Press F5. Now procedure is saved. I will execute this procedure again, so I will get 2. Now I will run the project again, click login. So one more thing, I no need now debug mode. Just go to debug and delete all breakpoints. I deleted all breakpoints. Now I am click role here, click new. The book ID 2 is created, and create anything, and status inactive and save. And new book numbers created 3, sorry, role ID created 3, status is active and save. Now just execute this once again. I click execute. See, 3 things successfully saved here. So I will stop this project. So here we'll say change this to role and status. Okay, we'll change this also, edit column. Okay, I changed here. Once I hit the save means I need to show the message box dot show record in double quote records third successfully, record inserted successfully, and again it goes to new button. So create new function I will call again. See why we are creating separate function means we can access this. So now run the project and click login and go to master and click role. Here click new, role name anything, we will type anything, we will discuss about this later, and click save. It will show record insert successfully, and click OK. Again it will run these things, but we need to clear those things, right? Yeah, see these things is there now, create new, this and all I need to cut and paste it here, and focus also, Ctrl X, paste it here. See, now save the button and again run it and log in and new role, click new, active, and click save. So successfully created. But every time, see, I am closing this form and click role, we need to click new, then only we need to add. So that is also one kind of wrong things. While loading this form I need to call this new. So just go to design and double click this form, so role load will come here. Just call that just like function name. So now hit the run button and click login. So go to master and click role. See, successfully created, this book ID automatically generated and cursor is focusing here. We can type anything and do whatever and click save. It will save successful, and click new things, it will come dynamically. Okay, validation and all we need to do later. So new and save things I done successfully. Now what we need to do here, once I hit the delete button I need to delete, once I hit the update button I need to update. So how to do that? So once I hit the save button I need to show all the records into this respective this grid. Once click the grid I need to respective selected grid value I need to update as well as I need to delete. Those things I will teach how to make that. Okay, first what we do, once I click the save button I need to show all the records into respective this grid. So I will do that first. Okay, here I will create one more function, void view grid. Here connection con equal to new connection. SQL data adapter SDA equal to new SQL data adapter. Here I will return that code. Select star from role underscore master. I will select the table here and comma connection dot active connection. Now data table dt equal to new data table. SDA dot fill dt. Here I will use for each. Insert Cifient, Visual C#, for each. So it will create the object for you. So here I will use data row. So I need to loop from every row by row. So that's why here collection dt dot rows. That means data table rows. I need to one by in data table how many rows is there, that rows loop through one by one. So here I will use datagridview one dot rows dot clear. So first I will clear all the records from that grid view. After int n equal to datagridview one dot rows dot add. So every time while looping row will be add here. So while adding that row I need to trigger that particular index into n. So that means first time row is added, n will be 0. Second time is row is added, n will be 1. Third time row is added, n will be 2. Like that index will be stored into this n. Here datagridview one dot rows n dot cells 0 dot value equal to item, so to string. See here that role master, I need to open that first here, role master table. In that table role master, this role ID I need to show. So just copy this role ID and paste it here inside double quote. So role ID it will assign into this value. So just I copy those things, V and Control V. Here I will change the index of the cell and change the value column name. Just change the column name and hit the save. Now we successfully created these objects. Just call this function. Here whenever I am saving I need to show that record. So that means here I will paste it and call. So now save the project and run it once again and click login. Go to role sections. So here I will add one more thing and select active or deactive. Once I hit the save button, it will insert into DB and it will show the message saved successful, and it will execute the new function and it will execute this value, getting value. So I am getting. So that means this is not a 0, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So I changed a little bit wrong, so I need to do that. See what I need to do here, where just I'm changing this to 1, 2 and 3. First cell will be row number, so I need to show that row number here. Just put 0 here. I will make n plus 1. Here I will make it entire things into string, to string. Now hit the save button. That view grid I will call into new also. While clicking new, I need to show that entire record. So and run it once again and click login and role. I will click new here, so it will show the entire records. See 1, 2, 3 will create, and values is creating here, and one empty row also here is showing. So I need to avoid this empty rows. So for that, what we'll do, just go to role section and click this grid view and click this small icon. Enable adding is there, so remove this and save it and run once again. Now click login here, row. So no value, no row is now showing, and click new, it will show the values. See, successfully is showing here. So once I hit any row, now it's hitting every cell, not a row. Okay, once I hit the any row, I need to show the respective records into this respective text boxes. So how to do that, I will now teach. So just click this grid view, go to properties. Here selection, row selection, selection mode, you have to change it into full row select. In selection mode you have to change full row select. So why I am doing this, I will teach. I will run the project once again, login and go to master and click role. Now I am clicking the new button, it will show the entire record. See, now is I am clicking anywhere, it will selecting entire row, not a particular cell. So for that only I am using row selection mode is full row select. So now I am clicking anywhere, it will select entire row. See, okay, for that only I am doing that. So I am stop the project. So now once I click the row, I need to show that entire respective records into that text boxes. So go to select this grid view, data grid view, and go to event section. Event section here I will select mouse enter. Here mouse click, I will choose mouse double click event. Mouse double click. Once I double click that row, I need to show the entire particular records into this text box. So just select that mouse double click event and put the cursor here and press enter. So it will create the event for you. Here I will use textbox1 dot text equal to data grid view 1 dot rows 0 dot cells 0 dot value to string. just copy this, here to here combo box, one dot text, here selected row. So the row, which row I need to selecting, that row index only I need to point. So for that, so I will make int n equal to datagridview one dot selected rows angle bracket 0 dot index. So selected row index will be stored here n, that index I need to pointing here. So instead of 0 I will change into n, here n, here n, here cell 1, 2 and 3. So that means it will take, it's not taking the serial numbers, it will take the role ID and role name, and that status it will take, and that values assigning into that particular respective text boxes here. So I am saving this and run the project once again. See, I am clicking login here and click master and click role. So I am click new means it will entire row will come. Here double click anywhere in this row. See, respective values is coming here. See, entire things is changing. Double click this respective things, it changing the your text boxes here. See, changing. Now I need to update those things. So now I will return the update query here. Just go to your projects and go to design and click update button. Here update query, it will come. Here I will return, just copy this add record. So here I will create one more function also. Okay, that is not a problem. Just copy this function, I'll add it here down of the project course section. Here update record, change it to update. So here I will copy to the update code. I need update code. Just role master, right click role master and go to script, here update and new query window. So update query is created for you here. Just copy this update query and paste it, delete this and paste it here. See, everything is created. Role ID. So in that role ID I will you assign the respective text boxes. So single quote, double quote and plus text box 1 dot text and plus double quote, single quote. That's it. So like that, just I'm copy these things and paste it here and paste it here. See, now I'm changing entire things. See, here text box 1 role ID is text box 1 and role is text box 2 and here combo box. Combo box 1 text I'm using. Here where condition is there, I need to return the where conditions here. Where condition, so where role ID. So based on role ID only we are updating. So just control X this, and so I am updating role and role status based on role ID. So that is our condition. This is the update query. So just I am saving this record, and in this update function I am just calling this update function to update click button event, and once it's updated I need to call view grid function. So that means updated value I need to see here. So just save the functions and hit the run button. Hit the run button. So click login. Here master and click role. So I click new. It will show the entire record. Just I am double click this value. Here I am changing into my name. So role name I am changing my name. So retrieval, and click update button here. See, updated value is showing here. So this I need to change. Double click here. So I will remove this S and click update. See, updated, and I am changing into inactive and click update means inactive. It updated successfully. So like that, updated button is working successfully. Likewise I need to use delete. So here I will add one more function. Just copy this function, Ctrl C, and paste it here. Delete record. So here I will change simple thing only. Condition is same here. Delete from DB name. Here no need to declare this and all, because by default it will take from the connection string. So delete from role master where role ID equal to text box 1. So entire thing is same. So just copy this delete record function and go to your delete button, where it is delete button. Just paste it delete button and view grid. Just copy that view grid and paste it here. Save and hit the run button and click login. Go to master and role. Here I am clicking new. Record is showing here. I need to delete this record. So double click this record and click delete. Deleted successfully. Delete. Deleted. See, now I am going to execute this in table. See, the role master I am executing here. So the 3 record only is there. See here your form also is showing 3 records. I need to delete this second record. Click second record and deleted, and here 3 record is there. Just execute this result, refresh result, it's showing 2 records. Okay guys, this part I teach entire things like steps, how to add new, how to generate dynamic IDs, how to fetch the values from DB to grid views, and how to save, how to delete, and how to update. Like that I will done. Here one more thing, remaining thing also is the row count. I need to show the how many rows here. So that row count I need to show, right? So that also I will do. And I finish this this session like part 2 after I am doing this part 2. Okay, so view grid is there. In that view grid I will add one more thing. Just here this is label, right? So label name is label 3. Just I am copy this text, go to properties, I am copy this text and view code label 3 dot text equal to in double quote. Just I will paste this here. Just plus dt dot rows dot count. Sorry, count to string. See, data grid view, data table is there. In the data table, how many rows is there? So that data count I am taking and I am showing here. Just save the button and run the program and click login and roll and click view. See, it's 2. Now I need to add something. Save, click OK. Now is 3, record count is 3. I am deleting this record, delete, so record count is 2. Like that everything we can do. Okay, next session how to logically how to do that and all we will teach. Okay, bye, see you later.